Okay guys, back at Cebu here. We have a Hurricane Evo Spider. The number plate of QDA63. Okay guys, now at Park Royal Collection Hotel. And let's see what we have here. We have a Rolls Royce Spectre here. Blue paint with the silver tone. Damn. Look at the plate. VNY666. Guys, check it out. We have a white Korean here. There's a black badge with red caliper. Look at those box. Got queue. I think this car must be speeding very fast. Another bug here. How come white cars always attract so many bugs? Beside this, we have as usual the Styrato, the most active Styrato in KL right now, with a Queensland number plate from Australia. Beside this, we have a Turbo S here in blue color. And then we also have a white G-Wagon over there. Nothing much. Alright guys, right now at TS Law Building. And we have the latest Urus SE here. The difference between Urus SE and the previous Urus is the headlamp. And we have a badge here. Urus SE. And then the rear lights also different. Then the design language, I think it changed a little bit from the side fender and the front air vent. A little bit different from the previous generation, or maybe we can call it a facelift. Damn guys, check it out! Revuelto with dual dynamic kit and Gintani. The first one in Asia one, right?
First one in Asia, correct.
Damn! Hey Moon! Damn, look at this car. So many carbon skirt, carbon air vent at the front hood, and then carbon side skirt. Okay. Carbon side mirror, carbon spoiler. Look at the huge wing. Carbon rear skirt. Damn. This is fucking loud, man. Guys, Revuelto is blasting on this street, guys. Damn. Okay guys, as you can see, the floor is wet and we have SVJ over there. Beside SVJ, we have a 720S at the back there. And a golf here from Singapore. Beside the 720S, we have the Urus. Okay guys, now at Grand Millennium we have a Porsche GT3 here with some blue rims, and then we have a 488 there. Guys, check it out, we have a Pista here from Nazar Marquez, and then it's a silver color with purple stripe in the middle. I mean not purple stripe, but purple I don't know whether it's a wrap or what, but I think it's a paint. God damn it! It's like the livery. Damn! Oh my god, look at this, guys.
See what I did? Trust me, bro.
Okay guys, back at Cebu drop off here, and we have a Cullinan here, and then this car just lowered down. Damn, the stand's low. Look at the plate, JRR3 from Johor, I think. But I think this car is a black badge model. It's just that he just optioned the rim, not the black badge rim. And then the car lower, it looks so much nicer. Damn. Alright guys, we have a black Roma here with a gold rim and a black wheel cap with a black brake caliper as well. Alright guys, back at Pavilion Valet here, the mall valet, we have an M8 here with a number plate of DB5. Beside that we have a Pista over there, a black Pista guys with two red stripes in the middle, but I doesn't know whether this one is a convert or what, but it looks like a convert. I think it's a convert. It's a Spider. Look at the rim, it's the previous, I think it's a 488 rims. I don't think this one is a Pista. I think it's a 488 Spider. Yeah, it's a 488 Spider. Not a Pista. But still a very nice conversion. Damn guys, check this man out, it's fucking huge guys. Fucking big man. But the wheel is so small. The car is big as fuck. Apparently all the cops car here escorting this big van is belong to our Kelantan Sultan car. Check it out guys, we are at Grand Millennium, we have a red Lotus Elise. All the way from Singapore. Look at the headlamp with the duct tape.